How can a corded phone and a toy airplane help you to relax, unwind, and de-stress in a fun, fast, and healthy way? Well, come inside and let's find out. We're going to use a couple of different metaphors today to help us to unwind all the tension and knots down through our spine and the center of our body. And the first is this little guy right here. This, in case you haven't seen one before, is a corded phone. These aren't that easy to come by. I had to find this one at an antique store. I grew up with phones like this, and there's something about the mechanics of picking up the phone and hanging it up over and over and over again that inevitably you would end up with these cords knotted up like this. But it makes a great metaphor for the tension we have in our back. And here's how you use it. You imagine a knotted cord just like this, running down through the center of your body. Anywhere you're holding that tension, down your spine, down through your back, through the core of your body. And you imagine this cord is as knotted up as you feel. And certain areas may have more knots than other areas. And then you take, just like we would have done, take the phone off, let it hang down, and as it hangs down, it starts to spin. And as it spins, it unwinds and unwinds and unwinds and unwinds. And you feel through that whole time, you feel the muscles relaxing, relaxing. You visualize it, you see all those knots unkinking. And don't be surprised if some emotions start to come up, because they've been bound up in those emotions. And this is a really healthy thing to let those clear out, to process out. And you just continue until it's completely run its course and you feel just relaxed and loose all the way up your spine and all throughout your body. Now, some of you may recognize this from your childhood. This is going to be our second metaphor. These little wind-up balsa wood airplanes have this great rubber band that you would turn the propeller like this. And as you turn the propeller, that rubber band got more and more and more and more knotted. And we had the idea that if you just kept going and got knots on top of knots, that it was going to fly better. Never worked out that way, at least not for me. But this is a great metaphor for our purposes. So what we're going to do is we're going to imagine a knotted up rubber band. And it may be much more knotted up than this one is, running vertically down through the center of your body. And just like this one, I want you to imagine where the knots are. Is it more knotty in certain areas, more intense in other areas? And see the rubber band looking like that in your spine. And then in your mind's eye, I want you to imagine letting the propeller go. That rubber band is going to unwind and unwind and unwind. And you let your back and spine and the core of your body unwind at the same time. Feel that loosening. Feel the wonderful feeling of relaxation that comes from letting all that tension go in a healthy and productive way. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and got a lot of value out of it. And if you did, please do me the favor of a like down below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button. We have a lot more coming your way to help you create an extraordinary life from the soul side out.